All right, so we spoke about select transformation in the previous session. Now we're going to get started with aggregate transformation, which aggregates column in your data stream. Now these aggregation could be as sum, minimum, maximum count. So we're going to create multiple aggregation and see how aggregation can work on your data stream as well. So since I have already got my data sorted now, what I want to do is I just want to create a new branch, and I want to make sure that this particular, not from here, probably from here, I just want to create a new branch. And the new branch, what it's going to do is it is going to have a it's going to keep my data segregated, because I don't want to run transformation, select transformation again and again. So this is going to be my new source of truth. So I'm going to create multiple aggregates, because we are going to create two aggregates, perform two aggregates, and we're going to keep the data source as same. So now what I'm going to do is we are going to do a data aggregation by gender and by location. So what we're going to do is, once you have got the aggregation plane selected, just give it a name as aggregation by gender. So you select the data stream, what type of data stream you have, and then you've got a group by. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enlarge a little. I want to aggregate by gender, and then the aggregate section over here, sorted, give it a name, sorted by gender. And then you have got the expression builder, wherein you can just define what type of expression you want to run on top of the aggregation you have selected. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to count the number of gender fields. So I'm going to hit on save, and obviously I want to create one more column, which is going to be probably level type. And now if you're going to go to the data preview and hit on refresh, it's gonna count count the number of gender by their levels, and it's gonna give me a count of both the fields which we have selected. So generally, group by and a group by are used to select an existing column or create a new one. So you could see that I've got gender and level, and I've already sorted. I've put down the aggregation right over here, sorted by gender, which gives me the gives me the count of gender along with the level, how many genders we have and what are their levels. I'm going to create one more aggregation. That's going to be our last aggregation, and that's going to be sort by location. And then I'm going to select the location and go to aggregate again, give it a name, sort by location, going to be real easy. And then expression builder is really cool, wherein you can just give you an IntelliSense which helps you to transform your data. Many transformation which comprised of different columns, value, parameter, functions, and literals. They evaluate to a Spark data, and they need to have some sort of expression builder to transform your data. So that's what we're using. We're just using a simple transformation, which is count. Just gonna finish it, and I'm gonna preview the data how it looks like. Gonna be really simple and should be quick. So at the back end, it's performing all of these steps in the Spark cluster in the Databricks. That's why it takes a couple of seconds. So you see that it has given all the location, and it has given a count of all the locations as well, and sorted by the location, the statistic, the aggregation we perform. So this was how you could just use aggregation and select on top of your data. You can create your own branch as well, so that you keep your selected data as a source of truth so that you don't have to apply the same transformation again and again. All right, that's it from the transformation section. I hope this was informative. Thank you.